Abuja is dangerous. In this video, I want to explain to you what I discovered that is going on in Osun State. I have been monitoring the situation, and what is going on in Osun State has been drawing attention from all across Nigeria and other parts of the world. People are really watching and monitoring what is going on in Osun State. Now, I want you to remember Imo State. Remember Imo State. You know why I said you should remember Imo State? Up to today, people don't know that insecurity that they had in the southeast that time, that it was because of Imo State. Yeah, that was the genesis of the whole insecurity in the southeast. After the election, the current governor Hope Uzodinma came out fourth, right? Yeah, the fourth position in the gubernatorial election. And the person that won the election, I think that was Mosu, right? It wasn't the favorite of the federal government. Remember from the beginning of this video, I told you Abuja is dangerous. Stay with me. So they started going to court. You know, what happened? Supreme Court judge said Hope Uzodinma won the election. Before Hope Uzodinma could return from Abuja to Imo State, his Rolls Royce, his houses has been raised down. That was a sign of warning that, hey, you are not going to be a governor and this state will be in peace. We are going to destroy the state. And everything started, they started killing APC people. Yeah, APC, both APC women did that. They really killed APC people in Imo State. And Hope Uzodinma did not fold his hands. He started opposing them, retaliating, clashes. So who can hire more bad boys becomes the play. From political ground, it was shifted to battlefield. The insecurity started growing. Then, normally, IPOB has been agitating in the southeast. So, for political cover, IPOB became a victim. IPOB was a victim. So, every now and then, these politicians, if they kill people, they will say IPOB. They start using IPOB to cover up so that people will not go after politicians who are carrying these things. As many people that they sent to assassinate fellow politicians came out, they confessed in a video. Hey, so person sent us to come and assassinate. So person sent us to come and assassinate. So the thing started growing. There was a time many people were calling IPOB, IPOB, IPOB. Hope Uzodinma was so nice at that. Mind my statement. He was so nice at that. What could that be? For coming out to tell the whole world that it was not IPOB, that it is politics of like insecurity from political hatred. That is what they are saying in Imo State and Southeast at large. So Hope Uzodinma did not stop at once, twice, three times. He came out three times on live national television to tell them that this is not IPOB. No, this is not IPOB. This is what led to this. But people did not hear. You know why I'm trying to give you the background of this story? It is because of what is going on in Osun State. Let me tell you. The election in Osun State has gotten to a level right now. The level it has gotten, no matter who wins the election, there will be insecurity in Osun State. The insecurity is going to escalate. That it is going to shake the whole Southwest. I'm telling you this now, go and write it down. Go and write it down. You see, the battle has been drawn. The plans of the APC, everything, this Adeleke camp, Adeleke's team, they are revealing it, going after it, tackling it. But federal power is also powerful. They are going to do everything that they could. You understand? To making sure that everything went well. Now, Rebado is in the United States of America as I speak to you. His movement to the US is strategic. At this moment, people are drawing the attention of US to what is going on in Osun State. Boom, he traveled to the United States. When they were talking about the issue of genocide that time, he was going to the US. His movement to the US is strategic. Now, why are they after Osun State? Like they did in Imo State, which led to building of so many mosques and so many other things, bring refugees from the north to Imo State. Whether that was the agreement they had with Hope Uzodinma, I don't know. But I'm telling you that the same thing is applicable in Osun State. There are interests from people that wants Osun State. And it's not just political. The Osun State battle right now is not only political, it is religious as well. Remember Muslim women were campaigning for the APC guy. You understand? So that is a statement. Solo religious campaign. Only Muslims were campaigning for this person. It is a statement. Number two, Tinubu wants Osun State because Tinubu is not certain of Oyo, where Makinde is. Makinde is also a presidential candidate. So Tinubu, if Tinubu lose Oyo and Osun State, because he can't trust Adeleke, who could not come to APC. So if Tinubu now lost Oyo and Osun State, Tinubu is not certain about Lagos. So is it only Ekiti and Ogun State that he's going to win? Because in the north, he's not certain about their promises. Because who made Tinubu from the north in the last election is in prison, Erufai, and he has directed them to work against Tinubu. The other person that made Tinubu is Wike. Wike is still with Tinubu when he, took out G5 governors. You know, the part of 5 governors from an election, what is going to be. These are the two reasons why Tinubu was able to, rig last election easily. If not, he will not be able to rig that last election, if not because of distance. So, what is going on in Osun State is going to create insecurity. Don't say that you were not won. It is going to create insecurity. You see all this killing you are hearing? That was how it started in Imo State. We were hearing, oh, APC person has been abducted. PDP was killed. Oh, they killed APC woman leader in her house. Oh, PDP youth leader has been abducted. We are warning them that this thing is going to escalate. More and more people will become victims. And at the end, everything we predicted came to pass. Unfortunately, the insecurity has not ended up to today. And when it will start, people will name this insecurity another name. They won't understand that this is politics of insecurity. Now, you saw the governor who said that any accord person that came out that they are going to kill the person. He came out, he was, blabbing on Channel television. I watched the interview between him and Sheun Okibandoye. I was just laughing. I said, look at this man. They mean what they are saying. They mean what they are saying. Their political God is going to protect them. They will kill. They will steal. They will grab. They will snatch. They will run. The only way for you to counter a thief is for you to use the exact measure that the criminal is bringing towards you. If you're bringing a gun towards me to attack me, I should be able to carry a gun and defend myself. So if for, Osun people or Accord, no matter who they are, if these people want to intimidate your people with anything, give them what they deserve. No, I trust that Adeleke. Even the last 2 elections, he won it. They later took it from him. The last one, he won it. And this one, he's still going to win it. So, I am certain that he's going to win the election. But what comes after the election? Well, till then, let's see what is going to happen. Let me know what you think about this.